Are you happy with it?
I am very happy.
Alrighty. Hey guys, it's Jen of All Trades. So I am back with another hair video. Today I'm very excited because we are doing my best friend Ravon's. Her hair, we've actually been friends for almost 10 years now.
Yeah.
Or over 10 years, and I've never done her hair. So this is a first. So I'm very excited. And we are going blonde with some highlights and more blonde. So stay tuned and I will show you how exactly we do this and how we achieve her awesome look. Alrighty, so we have everything here that we need to go blonde and put some beautiful highlights. We have our bowl, we have our 30 volume developer, as well as I'm using the Clairol BW2 lightening powder for my bleach and a 30 volume on the developer. And then I also have my brush, and of course I got some foils this time. I don't normally do that, but we're gonna go all professional. And we have our gloves and our brush. And then for afterwards, I do have a repair thing, conditioner stuff that is really, really amazing. And then I also have the Shimmer Lights Purple Shampoo for toning afterwards. Alrighty, so for the mixture, I'm going to start out with a couple of scoops of my lightening powder. I don't want to make too much and have too much left over. So I ended up using about 4 scoops of the powder, and then I'm just going to dump in the developer until it is the right consistency that I need it to be, which is kind of a thick, I always say kind of Cool Whippy type of, you know, consistency, and you can just add more powder or more developer until it gets to that amount consistency. I know it's supposed to be a little thicker than what I do, and you can see I like to thin it out just so it makes the product go further, but please note that I am not a professional, so anything you see me doing or giving tips on is just coming from my years of experience doing this, but just not from being professionally trained. And the best part of this is we are drinking, we have some awesome drinks, we're gonna have a good time. So here we go, let's see how we're gonna do this. Alright, so we have our bleach mixture ready to go. As you can see, she does have a lot of really, really dark roots, and we are going to try and bring that blonde up some more to make her mostly blonde, and then do some highlights in the top section. So let's go! There's a technique that they do, the salon. They go like when they're folding the foils. I don't know all that fancy shit. Alrighty guys, so this is what we have done so far. You can see the top section is still not done. That's where we're doing highlights. The whole bottom section is pretty much done. You can see that I did leave a little bit of root throughout her hair. I think that'll be good for the regrowth purposes. But everything else is going to be blonde. And at this point, I did leave the ends out. And then I had to go back and redo those so they could process last. Alright, so here I'm going to show you how I'm doing her highlights. We're doing micro little ones and a whole lot of them. After rinsing her hair, we used a purple shampoo called Shimmer Lights to tone it, and this is what it looks like after I put it on. If you guys want a full-on video on how I toned her hair using this, just let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to do that. Alrighty guys, well we are done with our transformation. As you can see, I did her makeup. What you think? You feel pretty?
I feel freaking sexy.
Alrighty, so we're going to show you the final results of her hair. I think it did turn out really good. We do have some more work ahead of us to get her more to like the whiter color, but we're working on it and I think it is gorgeous. Are you happy with it?
I am very happy.
Alrighty. Do you stand up? I'm just short. Look, if I do that, stand up, look. Boobs. Okay, I'll stand on my tippy toes.
You sure I don't mind squatting down some?
Okay, I'll stand up. Okay. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more hair transformation and makeup and whatever, give me a big thumbs up for this video and leave a comment below of what you would like to see. And if you're not already, subscribe right in the middle. Up there. Subscribe! For more awesome videos, I'll see you on my next one. Bye! Bye!